One by one they're on their way. Let's count with bees today. One little bee is buzzing by. It flies around and draws a one in the sky. Buzz, buzz, so much fun. Here comes the number one. Two little bees come flying through. They spin and twirl and form a two. Buzz, buzz, what of you? Now we see the number two. Three little bees are buzzing free. They swirl around and draw three. Buzz, buzz, it's fun to see. Now we have the number three. Four busy bees are flying more. They zip and zap to make a four. Buzz, buzz, across the floor. Now we see the number four. Five buzzing bees come from a hive. They twist and turn to make a five. Buzz, buzz, so alive. Now we have the number five. Buzz, buzz, here they come. Flying bees making numbers for fun. One by one they're on their way. Let's count with bees today. Six flying bees are in the mix. They twirl and swirl to form a six. Buzz, buzz with clever tricks. Now we see the number six. Seven little bees are buzzing in. They draw a slant to make a seven. Buzz, buzz with a big grin. Now we have the number seven. Eight buzzing bees are feeling great. They loop around and form an eight. Buzz, buzz, it's looking great. Now we see the number eight. Nine little bees are flying fine. They swirl and spin to make a nine. Buzz, buzz, we'll cross the line. Now we have the number nine. 10 buzzing bees are flying again. They draw a one and then a zo for 10. Buzz, buzz, it's the end. Now we've counted to 10, my friend. Buzz, buzz, now we're done. Flying bees have made counting fun. From 1 to 10, we've learned to play. Let's buzz with bees every day.